Well, as the pandemic rages on, the president-elect, Joe Biden, is calling out the Trump administration's efforts to try to strike down Obamacare. The Supreme Court is now hearing yet another challenge to the health care law. At stake is the health care.
Steve Gomez and his family are some of the more than 300,000 Arizonans who depend on the Affordable Care Act. Without it, Steve says, they could never afford the lifelong care for their son, Anthony.
At just 2 weeks old, Anthony Gomez was put on a list for a heart transplant. His care would cost millions of dollars.
It's the epitome of living in fear and living in anger when it comes to this.
The latest Supreme Court challenge to the Affordable Care Act put Steve Gomez and his family on edge. They rely on 3 pillars of Obamacare: the ban on lifetime limits on benefits, the requirement to cover pre-existing conditions, and the health insurance provided on the exchange.
Anthony did nothing wrong. He was born this way. He was born with what the insurance companies label as a pre-existing condition.
Arizona's Republican Attorney General Mark Brnovich was an early supporter of the lawsuit, now before the Supreme Court. He says the ACA is unconstitutional. Governor Doug Ducey lobbied the late Senator John McCain to kill Obamacare and then replace it. McCain ignored Ducey with a dramatic thumbs down.
You supported the skinny repeal. John McCain said it would have screwed Arizona. Why did you support it?
I supported repeal and replace.
But with the pandemic raging and tens of thousands of Arizonans losing their jobs, Ducey asked the White House to reopen the ACA enrollment. The request was rejected. As for Anthony Gomez, he's 5 now, playing in a COVID-conscious preschool. But down the road, more surgeries await.
We are in a great spot now. We are blessed. We are truly blessed.
The Supreme Court is expected to rule on the case sometime next year. In Phoenix, Bram Resnick, 12 News.